Yo guys, what's up? We're back with another video. Now we're going to be playing a game called Quick Draw. Basically gives you like 20 seconds to draw a certain thing. It's free, whatever. Let's go right to it. By the way, on Canon. Okay, this is just on computer. So that's like where it comes out of, and
I see triangle.
I see a triangle. Oh yeah, so he says so. Oh, good. We're just gonna do like, oh, that's the worst drawing ever.
Okay.
Draw a church.
I couldn't guess it.
Right, a church. Right, so you got this little pointy bit, a mountain.
Angle.
Got like all this, and then it's got the big cross. What?
Bird.
Mermaid.
Circle. Horseshoe.
Sand.
Or comet.
Jaw. Stereo. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be easy.
I see elbow. Wave.
Come on. No! It's got the big. Yes!
Unicycle. I see key. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Got it. Right, fireplace.
I
Right,
see me. Horseshoe.
right, fire.
Comet.
Chimney.
It's fireplace.
Oh yeah, sink. Right, so this is like the bit going up to it, and then just a bit.
Line.
Then there's like the top,
Go.
and then water.
Or mailbox.
What? It's like hard. Wait, let me
I
get my
couldn't guess
mouse.
it.
Where's my mouse? Oh, here it is. Right. Let's do this again. Right. Right, let's draw. Lighthouse, okay. So it kind of goes in the way, and then it's
I see line.
like light.
Or garden hose.
Oh no, that's went wrong. It's too sensitive.
Wand.
C.
Asparagus.
C. Oh,
Or TV. Or bat.
tent.
Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Oh no. Oh, okay.
Or
Wrong.
canoe.
Right, a tent. Oh, can't even do it.
Clip. I see rainbow. Or bread.
Damn it.
Sorry, I couldn't guess it. I see line. Or mountain. Or toothbrush.
But so
X.
toothbrush. Right.
Sign.
Oh yes, he got it. Toothbrush.
Or brush.
Come on.
Or asparagus. Oh, I know. It's
Toothbrush. Yes. A mug. So we need the basic little. Food. You see. Oh come on.
I see oven.
Flamingo.
Or backpack.
How am I supposed to draw flamingo?
I couldn't guess it. I see rainbow.
But
Or potato. Or pan.
haven't they got like?
It's flamingo.
Yes! He said, oh, I know it's flamingo. Okay, right. I think we can do this a few more times. Right. I should get if this is on my phone or something. Right. Draw dresser. A dresser isn't like drawers. Like.
I see diving board.
Like.
No, it's dresser.
Yes! Right, a horse. I'm gonna go like, oh, this is already a bad start. Oh, like the worst drawing ever.
Or done.
Big T. A jacket.
So, I couldn't guess it. Spoon. Oh, it's jacket.
Yes, he got it. Right, got it. Grapes. Alright. Oh, that's. I can't even do a circle, guys.
Scope.
Right, come on. Damn, he didn't get it. Calendar.
Sorry, guess. See elbow.
Well.
I have no clue what you're drawing.
Oh,
I see no
that's
glue.
nice.
Sorry, couldn't get nose. Or bread. Or paper clip. Oh, it's remote control.
Yes. That looks like an angry potato right there. Right, I guess we could do it like once more. I'm sorry about how bad I'm drawing. Eiffel Tower. Let's go like that.
I see my
Oh, come on, yes. He knows it. He knew it.
It's the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah. Spoon in under 20 seconds, right.
I see. Oh, it's spoon.
Yes, trumpet. Okay. I don't know what trumpet looks like.
Hockey stick. Or hose.
Alright.
Stethoscope.
Fair enough. I don't know how to draw.
I couldn't guess it.
Animal migration. I don't know what. I don't know what human migration is. I'm just gonna draw an animal.
Circle. Shoe. I see bird.
That.
Board.
That. Animal migration.
Or frog.
Frog.
Or mosquito. Or squirrel. Sorry, I couldn't guess
A
it.
circle.
I see rainbow. Oh, I know. It's circle.
Yes. Easiest one by far. Lobster. Okay, right.
Wiggle.
I haven't a gauntlet.
Your mouse.
Computer mouse. That's perfect. Lobster. Is it
Or dog.
on a plate?
Or person. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Oh, that second one. Oh, I don't know what I was thinking of. Anyway, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this. See how bad I'm drawing with like a mouse and stuff. Well, I used a mouse and can I show you? I can't really show you more, guys. But so yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.